I'm going bad for real. I got tattoos on my body, ain't gon' black for real. They told me that I should stop, but I'm in my bag for real. Chopper sing like it's a choir with that mag for real.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys all the supplies I got. The first thing I showed y'all I been had, but the rest of the stuff I got all from Dollar Tree. Okay, everything from Dollar Tree, and like, just let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna get the glue gun ready, and then I'm gonna start to place the little gems on, what is this, what you call this, the soap pump. Yeah. I'm gonna just start placing the gems on the soap pump just to get like a little form of things, but I actually end up not even going in any particular form. I felt like it was just gonna be better and cuter if it was just, you know, just everywhere, just all over the place. But y'all gonna see it, as y'all see in the beginning of the video, in the little clip, like it came out really cute. And I was just going for something simple but still something cute, because I change around my bathroom a lot. Like, I change around my surroundings a lot. I gotta go off of like whatever mood I'm in or whatever the case may be. So I don't be trying to get too much expensive stuff for like my bathrooms and rooms like right now, because like I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with everything, with every room and stuff like that. But I was in just like a blue mood for the bathroom, so I just like, hey, I wonder if I could just do a little DIY or something, because when I searched like these up on the internet to see how much they were, they was like $50. I'm like, I'm not paying $50 for no set. Like, what? It don't make no sense. So I'm like, all right, boom, let me just go to Dollar Tree and do what it do. And it came out really cute, and I'm very satisfied. So until I'm ready to change my mind and change my mood and my bathroom around again, this is just gonna be just fine. But let me stop rambling and whatever, and I'm gonna just let y'all see. Oh, boom, see, it's right here already. So I already talked it up. So this is how the first one came out, but I am gonna stop talking now and let y'all watch the rest of the videos. Okay. Y'all, tell me this is not fire. Tell me this ain't cute. This is mad cute. Mad cute. Like, I don't know about y'all. Like, I like simple stuff, but this is simple and mad pretty. Like, look how it's looking in the light. And this is the sunlight from my room. Yes, we was on a carpet with it today. Like, fuck it. Like, but I'm so happy with how this came out. It is perfect for my bathroom right now. And it's really chilled and just real cute. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure y'all subscribe and stop playing, and leave a comment down below. Follow my Instagram, add me on Snap, follow my TikTok. You already know. CB is out of here. Love you.